Untuk before kita belajar first conditional sentence. Ini belum pernah belajar sebelumnya ya. Ini benar-benar grammar yang baru. Oke, sekarang kita lihat formsnya. Forms artinya rumusnya. Rumusnya itu ada simple present tense dan future tense. Ini kombinasi. It means combination of two grammars become one. The next is if. If study. If they study hard, they will get good grades. Okay, Miss Esther underline if and study with orange color. It means for present tense. Kalau ada kata if-nya, berarti kalian harus tambah verb 1 atau verb s atau verb es in simple present tense. After that you put comma. Ya, you put comma and then will plus verb 1. Will itu harus ditambah verb 1 in future tense. Oke. Contoh pertama, if they study hard. Why study not studies? Because they plus verb 1. No need plus s or plus es. Okay. Now see the second example. If he doesn't come in 5 minutes, I will call him. If, okay, Miss Esther sekarang underline juga ya. Underline-nya if. Ya. If he doesn't come in 5 minutes, I will call him. Kalau ada kata if, he ini harus tambahin s atau es. This one become doesn't. Ya, if already have doesn't, so this one come. No need plus ses in come. So if he doesn't come in 5 minutes, I will call him. Sesudah will harus ditambah verb 1. Will call. Ya, jangan ditulis will calls or will callers, itu salah. So after will you have to put verb 1 only. Oke. Yang Miss Esther kasih warna orange di bagian sini, kamu lihat ada kata clue-nya if. If it means happens first, so you have to use present tense. Happen first, it means the things that happen at the first time. After that, you get the result. The result is the happens next. It means in the future. Yeah. So it's not happened yet, but will happen at the next. Okay. Now we discuss another. Okay. Miss Esther kasih clue ya. Clue-nya itu yang Miss Esther highlight orange, it mean simple present tense. Ya. Kalau simple present tense-nya orange, berarti isi di sebelahnya kalian harus isi pakai future tense. Ya. Future tense itu will plus verb 1 only. Ya. Artinya will plus verb 1 only, kalian nggak boleh tambahin jadiin will plus verb s or verb es. Kalau will sudah pasti pakai verb 1. Ya, nggak boleh ditambahin s atau ditambahin es verbnya. Oke, sekarang kalian lihat yang now you see will plus verb 1 that Miss Esther give pink highlighter, ya. Kalau di sini, this one is number 2. If you blah 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 wake up late, you will arrive. So this one is future tense. Kalau di sini future tense, kalian harus di sini isi pakai simple present tense. Oke. Sekarang Miss Esther isi ya. Kamu lihat ya, perhatiin. Ini clue-nya he. Ya, sorry, I mean not clue. That one is subject. Di sini ada if the weather is fine. Di sini kan present tense, ya, ada is-nya. Berarti di sini harus future tense, ya. Future tense-nya itu ada rules-nya, kita pakai will di sininya, will. Oke, Miss Esther tulis dulu ya, will. Di sini will. Kalau will harus pakaiin verb 1, tetap. Ini will write, ya. So this one remain the same, right? So he will ride bicycle if the weather is fine. Oke, sekarang nomor 2, number 2, will arrive. Di sini future. Kalau di sini future tense, berarti kalian harus isi pakai simple present. Simple present ini you no need to put ses, so still wake. Ya, if you wake up late, you will arrive late at school. Number 3, this one, if pink, you should remember this one is future tense, so you have to answer in simple present tense, ya. They will stay at home if it. Nah, di sini it harus ada s atau is. Di sini rain berarti if it rains. Oke, ya. Now number 4. Di sini Miss Esther kasih orange, ya. Kalau orange berarti simple present tense. Di sini simple present tense, lawannya itu harus future, ya. Bus driver future, still will, pakai will. Di sini tetap will not wait. Oke. And then after that, nobody will blame. Ya, ini future. Oke, Miss Esther nggak kasih tahu lagi di sini future. Pokoknya yang pink itu pasti future. Kalau future lawannya pasti present tense, ya. Oke, Miss Esther jelasin yang ini, he, ya. Kalau di sini he berarti pakai kata bantunya di present tense itu harus pakai does, ya. Does not do, ya. Ingat kalau di present tense, simple present tense itu he, she, it using does atau verb s, verb es. After that verb 1. Ya. Lalu next number 6, she will respond. If you, nah ini you di sini berarti tetap as. Karena are you, we, they, ya, itu pakainya verb 1 only, no need ses. Nah, sekarang number 7, they will give you present if they, lihat kata di sininya they, ya. Kalau they di sini present tense-nya jadi still no, karena nggak boleh tambahin ses. Nomor 8, number 8, her house will be dirty. If this one will be dirty, if she becomes opens, ya. Karena di sini he, she, it tambahin s atau is, ya. Tergantung akhiran di sininya apa. Kalau n di sininya pakai s, ya. Lalu next number 9, the girl will be happy if her parents celebrate her birthday. If this one her parents, berarti ini orang tuanya 2. Kalau orang tuanya di sini 2, berarti itu they. Kalau they, berarti nggak boleh tambahin s di sini, tapi tetap celebrate. Ya. Next, nomor 10, number 10, if you lie to your friends, they blah 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 not trust you anymore. Ya. Kalau di sini berarti present tense, di sini future. They tetap pakaiin will karena ini rumusnya will not trust. Will not trust. Oke. Lalu di sini kalau ada if, berarti kalian ingat pakai di sininya simple present tense. If this one boy satu orang. Berarti di sini he. If he apologizes, ya, tambahin s karena he, ya. Di sini the noodles not be tasty if don't put any soy sauce, ya. So noodlesnya berarti the noodles. Noodles itu berarti kan nggak bisa dihitung karena ini ada s-nya, berarti many, ya. Ini B itu is MR, kita pilih R, jadi are not. Sorry, because this one in present, so this one should be in future. Ya, in future kita pakainya will not be, ya, will not be tasty, ya. Sekarang nomor 13, if your sister goes to Paris, she bla 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 enjoy a good time. Di sini goes in present tense. Kalau di sini present tense, berarti di sini future, ya. Di sini future, oke. Rumusnya tadi kalau future will plus verb one only, will enjoy, ya. Now, number 14, if I leave now, I bla 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 arrive in New York by 8 p.m. Oke. Sekarang live ini in simple present tense. If in simple present tense, berarti di sini kita pakai future tense. Rumusnya will plus verb one, will arrive. Oke. Sekarang nomor 15, if you get a haircut, you bla 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 look much better. So if this one in present tense, ya. Oke, Miss Esther tadi udah kasih clue, ya. Ya, nah kalau ada if, ya, if berarti itu simple present tense, ya. Kalian harus ingat rumusnya. Jadi easy to answer, ya, easier to answer, ya. Lebih mudah untuk jawabnya kalau kamu ngerti cara lihat clue-nya, ya. So number 15, if you get a haircut, you bla 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 look much better. Di sini ada if, ada get, berarti ini simple present tense. So you have to answer in the next opposite, will plus verb one. Ya, di sininya harus simple, future tense, ya. Oke. Kalau ada yang belum ngerti, coba diulang, ya, di review videonya ini, ya. Pelan-pelan bisa di review berapa kali jadi ngerti, ya. Oke. Now we go to the second part. The second part is fill in the blank with first conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is simple present tense or future tense. Oke. Sekarang kita lihat clue-nya aja ya. Oke, number one, if. Oke, kalau ada if itu kalian harus pakai simple present tense. Bisa saya kasih dulu ya clue-nya. If my bag be broken, my mother bla 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 not buy a new one for me. Ini gampang ya. Bisa sudah kasih clue-nya. Tinggal kita kalau di sini if berarti di sini present tense ya. Kalau di sini bag ini berarti it. Kalau di sini it berarti di sininya pakai be itu present tense is mr. Be itu is atau am atau are. Nah, berarti di sini pakai it is ya. Di sini will not buy ya, will not buy. Okay, now we go to second part. Fill in the blank with first conditional sentence, simple present tense or future tense. Number one, if. Kalau ada if my bag bla 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 be broken. Oke, nah ini bag kata gantinya it. Nah, so should be is. Be artinya kamu harus pilih is, am, or are. If this one bag, it mean it, so you choose is. So if my bag is broken, my mother, so you have to choose future tense. So future tense will plus verb 1. It means will not buy a new one for me. Okay. Next, number 2, our team. Team is subject. Subject it means one only, so using it. So our team blah 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 lose if all the members not be cooperative. So our team it. So ini berarti kamu pilih future tense. So this one it will lose. Our team will lose if all of the members. Ingat ya, kalau ada if di sini berarti di sini present tense. So if all ini banyak. So plural using are. So if all of the members are not cooperative. Okay. Next number 3. If, kalau ada if berarti di sini pakai present tense. If she, this one she tell, so have to put s. Become tells. If she tells the secret, I will keep. Okay, I will keep it. Okay, next number 4. Ini kita lihat clue-nya di sininya. If, berarti di sini kalau ada if di sininya present tense. If you blah 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 not bring, so you do not bring. Kalau di sini present tense, so di sininya future. What will you eat? Okay, what will you eat? Okay, and number 5, if. Kalau ada if, so this one in here simple present tense. If she, pakai kata bantunya does. If she does not find, she will not be angry. Di sini pakai be bukannya verb 1 karena di sininya angry itu adjective. Jadi ini tetap harus ada be-nya. Oke, number 6. The coffee bla 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 hot if. Kita cari if-nya dulu ya. If berarti di sininya present tense. You at, jangan tambahin SIS tapi harus verb 1. Ya, if you add more hot water. Oke. Nah, kalau di sini present tense berarti di sini future. Will be. Kenapa pakai be? Karena di sini hot itu adjective. Jadi di sini harus pakai be, bukannya verb 1 tapi be. 7. If. Nah, berarti kalau ada if di sininya pakai simple present tense. Simple present tense kita lihat di sininya, we see in here the subject is I, so no need to use SES, just verb 1 only. I, you, we, they. So use present tense verb 1. Yeah. So this one, if I bake a cake, you. Karena ini question, kita tanyanya di sini. Ya, bukannya you will have, tapi will you have some? Karena ini question. Oke. Number 8. If he bla 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 find my pencil. Kalau di sini ada if, so this one in here is present tense. Di sini he berarti tambahin s. If he finds. If he finds my pencil, he berarti di sini future. He will return. Okay. Number 9, what bla 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 happen if you. Oke, kita jawab di sini karena di sini ada if, di sini harus present tense. You nggak usah pakai SIS, tapi harus verb 1. Di sini not study, kata bantunya itu do. Karena you harus tanpa SIS, verb 1 only. You harus pakai verb 1 only, so do. If you do not study, ya, on school days. Oke. Nah, kalau di sini present tense, di sini di sini future. What will happen? Oke. Next, number 10. If my parents. So ini parentsnya subjeknya banyak. Artinya di sini jadi they. Kalau di sini they, di sini nggak boleh tambah SIS, tapi verb 1. If my parents go. If my parents go abroad, bla bla bla, I bla 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 be worried. Di sini simple present tense, so in here should be future tense. If I will be, so I will be worried. Oke? Kalau belum jelas, if this one not clear for you, so you can repeat it many times as you wish. Okay?